In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI on Twitter in 2025. To kick things off, you'll want to start by opening up a new web browser and navigating to Google. Now, once you've arrived at Google's search page, simply type the letter X into the search bar. This might sound pretty straightforward, but it's an essential step. The letter X is what you'll be searching for, as it's now commonly associated with Twitter's new branding. Next up, go ahead and click on the first search result that appears, which should take you directly to Twitter's homepage. It's all part of the new, sleek design introduced since the rebranding. Once you're on Twitter's homepage, keep your eyes peeled for an icon that represents Grok AI. It might look like a stylized letter or a specific logo placed right at the top of your screen. Clicking on this icon is crucial because it'll open the doorway to a world of AI-assisted tweeting that's as exciting as it is efficient. Now comes the creative part, and this is where you get to make Grok AI work some magic for you. In the text field provided, you'll want to create a prompt. For instance, you could type something like, "Create a post for me regarding the latest news today." This prompt will instruct Grok AI to generate content based on the most recent and relevant information available. It's a great way to keep your timeline fresh and engaging without having to spend too much time crafting tweets yourself. After crafting your prompt, the next step is pretty simple. Go ahead and click on the Submit button. This action will prompt Grok AI to process your request, and in just a few moments, you should see a suggested post that you can review. It's worth taking a moment to look over the generated content to ensure it aligns with your style and the message you wish to share. This AI tool is designed to save you time and make sure your posts remain pertinent and captivating. And there you have it. With these steps, you've just learned how to lever Grok AI on Twitter to streamline your social media presence in 2025. By integrating AI into your tweeting habits, you'll not only boost your efficiency, but also maintain a vibrant and up-to-date feed that reflects the latest news and your unique voice. So why not give it a try and see how Grok AI can transform your Twitter experience? Thanks for watching this guide. We hope you found it helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.